I don't know if you guys have heard, but finally Samsung has announced pre-orders for the Odyssey OLED G9. This is going to be an absolute extremely pricey 49-inch OLED monitor, but it is going to be amazing. As you guys can see here, it is a 49-inch OLED. I think this is the largest OLED on a monitor currently. Samsung always outdoes itself. They always do a great job of showing off the most bleeding edge tech possible, and I think that's what makes them so unique in this situation, is that they had the G8 that I believe is 34 inches OLED, and now their 49-inch is absolutely ginormous. It is obviously DQHD, which means dual quad HD, neo quantum processor, 0.03 milliseconds, 240 hertz refresh rate. That is insane. All that is possible through an OLED and a display, high-end display port, along with a 2.1 micro HDMI port. You guys are probably wondering, a micro HDMI port. For some reason on these OLED models, even in the G8, that's what they're using. I can't tell you guys why they're doing that. I think that's personally, and then you can see here the micro HDMI is here. I think they might be using a full one. Oh yeah, so this one is actually using a full one here. But it's the only one that's a full. The other one is a micro. I don't know why, like I said again, why they keep going with micros. Strange decision on their part. But it is going to be pretty pricey at $21.99. You do get $250 off if you pre-order it before, I believe there is a date. Yeah, by the 25th. It doesn't say exactly when it's going to ship or when it's going to come out. It just says if you pre-order it by the 25th. Oh, actually no, ships by the 26th. So it'll ship on the day after the pre-orders, and then you should probably get it like within a week or so. So that's really cool, really nice. As you can see here, the $250, it's just a gift card that they give you. So it's, but you have to use it towards another Samsung product. So I don't know if you're really, it's not really $250, I guess, off. It's more like, here's a gift card. Thank you for buying a product kind of thing. These are going to be discounted heavily. The G8 34-inch OLED is always on sale. I think their biggest one was $500 off. That one's always on sale. So just imagine this will be always on sale too. I don't know by how much. This is not their most premium one. There's another one that's going to top this one. That's going to be 57 inches. That's going to be a mini LED 4K 144 hertz, if I am not wrong, display. So watch out for that one. That one should be getting its pre-order probably within a couple of months, because they did the OLED in the beginning of the year, or the OLED G9. Then they did the G7. Now they're doing the Odyssey OLED G9, and then you have the Neo OLED, or the Neo G9. That Odyssey is going to be coming out later, closer to the end of this year. So if you guys are really interested in Samsung monitors, make sure to go out and check them out. Like I said, they're always on sale, so just make sure you look out for sales on Amazon, Best Buy, and obviously the Samsung website. This one has a dual quad HD, which means 1440p. So not 4K, but still really nice pictures and dynamic ways. You can see a conventional monitor that they would usually show versus their Odyssey OLED G9. This was also shown off on CES, so this was part of their big monitor reveals at that time. Really great is that you can get the 0.303 millisecond response time through the HDMI 2.1 and display port, or the display ports. Each one gives you the same thing. They have AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. So if you didn't know, AMD's FreeSync has multiple layers. So there's the AMD FreeSync, is a premium, and then there's a Premium Pro, which gives you the ultimate non-screen tear, no disruptions, and that type of tech. Like I said, there's various levels. There's, like I said, the AMD FreeSync, FreeSync Premium, and then Premium Pro. There's going to be the gaming hub, so that's going to like a marketplace for you to have the Xbox Game Pass, GeForce Now, Luna, Twitch. So all those you can play streaming if you're more into streaming. Also, you'll be able to go like went down to do streaming. I'm not to streaming. Yeah, to stream like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, stuff like that as well. This is the FPS game bar that FPS game bar. This is the game bar. I'm sorry, where you can adjust your FPS, HDR, game picture, screen ratio, minimize the zoom, and a virtual aim point. Really cool access here. Also on here, this is the smart TV. This is kind of what I was explaining earlier that you're able to do. You're also able to have this split in half. It's called the picture by picture, so you can have two things on at once. So that's a really cool as well. Built-in speakers, so you don't even need speakers for this. Really awesome. Here's your smart things. It can be controlled through Alexa or Bixby, and then it can also work with other things in your house. So you're able to see that. Like I said, these are the ways that you're able to use it, which is a DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1. There's two of them, and one is a micro, one's a full size, and then USB hub, which are USB A's, if I'm not wrong. So you can use your picks. You can use it. Like I said, the two displays in here, really cool, and it auto source switches here. Also, another really great thing, as you can see in the back, I love that Odyssey look. It is phenomenal. Here's some pictures of it. This is when people were trying it out and things like that. So really cool monitor. Like I said, this is going to be phenomenal for people that really are into this type. Let me see. Yeah, you can kind of see here, but yeah, so it's really nice. Yeah, so this is going to be really nice. If you're really heavy into gaming, you want the best of the best display technology, and you don't mind the micro HDMI port. You just want it to look and feel the best, obviously with 1800R curve, which is really nice, obviously with the ability to watch Netflix, Hulu, also stream games, which is really nice. Amazing delivery OLED. You don't mind playing on 1440. That's pretty much what this is, and is a really great monitor for. Believe, and I'll show you guys, there is another one. Odyssey Neo G9 57 inch. So that one is the one that a lot of people are going to be talking about. So this is what the new one is going to look like. So that's the one that's going to have the 57 inch. Like I said, it is going to be a mini LED. It's 8K display, I'm sorry, and 240 hertz panel. Is going to look phenomenal if you like color, if you're into color. That one's going to be the one to get. Also, it's going to also have speakers, the core thing in the back. It's going to look super nice. It's not going to, so the only weird thing that Samsung did when they refreshed their lineup is the OLEDs have the better stand versus the Neo. Like, this stand looks terrible compared to the Odyssey OLED G9 version. This is not going to be the 57 inch. This is that's what we just saw. That was the 49 inch version. So that's the only weird thing. Oh, here's the comparison here. But that's the only weird thing I found about it. That they gave the Odyssey OLEDs the really, really nice stands and really nice back versus the Odyssey Neos, which they gave the worst version of. Which is, and if you look in the current lineup, it's the opposite way around. I don't know why Samsung did that, but it's going to be interesting to see when this big boy becomes available, because I think this is going to be the one that's going to piques my interest probably more than the Odyssey OLED G9, only because I don't really have a way of taking advantage of this one too much, where I know the Odyssey Neo G9, they talked about at CES, will have multiple HDMI 2.1 full size and USB-Cs. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. Here, it's going to be the first 5K by 8K sizing. So it's going to be really cool to see. Really awesome to note. Make sure to like and subscribe when this one goes on sale or goes on pre-order, I'll let you guys know and update you guys. But yeah, I just wanted, because I've been seeing it a whole lot, that the new Odyssey OLED G9 is coming out. So I wanted you guys to go ahead and get your interest in and see if you guys are going to buy it. If you guys are, comment down below. Leave me some message of what you guys are thinking of, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you guys for watching my latest video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.